Hello everyone, this is me, the Wolf again, and this time it is an emergency video because exactly the same thing is happening as I told you in all my previous videos. And yes, this is the same line that I repeat in my video every time because this is facts. You have to watch my every single video to gain some good knowledge about trading and what can happen in the future. So I told you that $36,000 is a very important level of resistance for Bitcoin, and the price did a breakout of it. And I told you that I will enter in a long position on Bitcoin if the price do a retest of that level, again comes down, makes it as a support and then goes up. And the same thing happened right today only. So I was just looking at the charts and I just noticed that the price did a perfect retest and now it is pumping to the upside. Well, where I will enter a trade, what will be my take profit, stop loss, everything I will share in this video. But also remember guys, do your own analysis as well. This is not any tip or any kind of a financial advice. Do your own analysis as well. This is just a knowledgeable and educational video. So let's get into the charts. So here I am on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and I hope you remember this important zone that I was talking about. $36,000 is at the exact price where this zone is located. And I told you that if the price breaks this zone to the upside with a perfect retest or with a high volume candle, then I will enter in a long position, because then Bitcoin can easily go to $48,000 level, and this will be my target for sure, because I don't change my perspective. I told you this is the main level and this will be my take profit, so this will be my first take profit here. I won't book any trade in between. So talking about the price broke this level to the upside and then it did a rejection from here to the downside. But what we can see is yesterday's daily candle break out this zone again to the upside, or we can say did a perfect retest, and the volume is also very high. As you can see, this volume is way higher than the daily average volume. So right now, yes, this is the best time to enter in a trade according to me. Just an normal educational video, this is not any financial advice. But I won't enter here because what I'm thinking is that if I enter here right now at the current price, then if I put my stop loss over here and my take profit here, so this trade won't be a very good trade according to risk management and money management. So what I'm thinking is, if the price comes down till here at $36,500, this main here level $36,500, then my automatically trade will get executed, a long trade will get executed, and my stop loss will be overall till here at 33,384 approx. And as you guys know, my take profit at 48,300 or 48,500 approx. So this is my trade update. Let's see, I hope the price comes down again and our trade gets executed, because I mean it's like a risky trade, because there are chances that the price will go all the way up till 48k directly here incessantly without any now rejection. So if that happens, then I will not enter in this trade, because I don't do any FOMO or any FUD while trading. So this is a very important discipline right here. And now coming to the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and as you guys remember this, I already told you this in my previous short video, but if you don't understand, let me give you a brief explanation. So this was a kind of a rising parallel channel. The price did a breakdown of it and from this main support it gave a reversal and now entered back in this rising parallel channel. I told you that if the price comes to the upside and breaks this parallel channel and enters in it, it will do a perfect retest, and the same thing happened. Because if you look at this rectangle, this is a very important resistance for Ethereum, and plus the Ethereum price was continuously pumping, incessant pump we saw here. So I knew that a rejection will be faced somewhat over here and the price will come down for a retest, and the same thing happened here. We saw a perfect retest till here, and after that a tweezer bottom, I can say, a engulfing bullish candle with somewhat I can say, many people will say in the comments that okay, it did a perfect retest, now is it the perfect time to enter long? Well, I would suggest you guys no, because still the price is in this main resistance zone. If the price breaks this resistance zone to the upside, then I will for sure enter in a long position. Easy long I will enter, and it will be a huge long with a target of this main zone at approx, I can say, $3,100 or $3,200. This will be the my target. Yes, this will be a very long trade, and that's why I am patiently waiting for the price to break this zone to the upside, and also with a perfect retest. This is just a quick trade update here. This is my Bitcoin long trade. Right now it is in a conditional order, so if the price again comes down at $36,500, then my trade will get triggered, and my take profit, as I mentioned, is $48,000, and my stop loss is at 33,380. So this is my trade. Let's hope that the price comes down. Even if a single wick also comes down, it will be a great opportunity for me. But if that does not happen and the price continues to move to the upside, then I will for sure not trade this move. I will wait for some other opportunity in the future. I just showed you that what is actually happening in the Bitcoin's price, and in the future where it can go, it's just my prediction. And also I showed you my trade update as well. I'm taking this trade on Bybit, and I always take trade on Bybit only. So if you also want to practice or trading on Bybit, or want to trade with real money, you can do that on Bybit easily. You can create an account on Bybit for free, and you can get up to $30,000 free deposit bonus as well. The link is in the top of the description and in the pinned comments as well. So do create an account on Bybit for free and start your crypto trading journey there. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stellar, any crypto you want, Matic, Link, any. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that what is happening in the Bitcoin's price and my trade update, and also will I take a trade in Ethereum in future? Well, let's see. So yeah, this is it, and see you guys next time.